Hey folks, welcome to another episode of Matro's Travel. I'm Matro and today I'm gonna show you a few places you can see while you're in Palermo. So, place number one, I'm already at it, and it's basically the Cathedral of Palermo. And I'm quite stunned by it. I'm like overwhelmed by its beauty. It's like, wow. Stunning, just stunning how it looks like, but I'm gonna show you, don't worry. So, bam. The beauty of this building. There is not much I have to say. I think the building is speaking for itself. So I'm gonna zoom in so you can see it in more details. I'm like, wow. It's a masterpiece. And it's gigantic. Haha. This is one of the most beautiful cathedrals I have seen. So, as I said, the building is speaking for itself and you have to see it. When you're in Palermo, please visit the cathedral. You won't regret it. So one place you should definitely visit in Palermo is the Fontana Pretoria, which is right behind me. It's known for its mythical statues here, and it was built in the 1500s. It's quite interesting. I'm gonna show you here a little bit. Maybe you can guess what each statue is. So I'm gonna zoom in, and this is really, really beautiful. Wow. Here, you can go like once around. The artwork is incredible. Unfortunately, you can't walk up there. I guess because people for sure tried to destroy some of the figures, because you can see like there's like a head missing and some genitals have been removed as well. So I guess that's why there's a fence. But still, it's very interesting. And it's in front of like also this big building, which is very pretty on its own. Yeah. Let's see more of this fountain. Wow. Here. And there's also like another church here, really nice. So. Wow. Okay, this is definitely worth checking out. So, another place you should definitely check out is the park Villa Bonanno. It's actually right sort of beside the cathedral, like the cathedral is around there. And like just 50-60 meters further up, you get to the park. The park is really nice, perfect for afternoon stroll. You have like different kinds of palm trees here and citrus trees and all this kind of stuff. You also have two palaces here, like the Royal Palace, which is right there, and a smaller palace on the other side, which you can both visit. And the park itself looks also really, really beautiful. And it's one of the few parks I have seen so far where you have cactus trees like this one here. I mean, how often do you see a cactus tree? So that's pretty cool. So this park and the whole area with the palaces is definitely worth checking out. What's very interesting in the park as well, you have the ruins of a Roman villa here, which you can see right over here. Right now it is closed, but basically you can walk here and see the villa. There are some interesting mosaics, which you can see like down there. Can zoom a little bit in. So yeah, so there are the mosaics. And here you have like a more area where you can walk around and see the ruins. Another place you should check out in Palermo is the Teatro Massimo, which is right here. So this building is also quite stunning in its architecture. It's huge. It kind of like reminds me a little bit on a temple even. And it's really, really beautiful. So this is one of the places you should check out when you are in Palermo. Apparently when you go in there and you see one of the operas, its acoustic is quite remarkable. So if you're a fan of operas, you should definitely check out one of them in there for the acoustics. So, and the next thing on the list is the Piazza Quattro Canti. It's basically a plaza with Baroque style fountains and it looks really impressive. Just gonna show it to you right now. Here. So you have like here one fountain and it goes up with different statues. And the next one. It's really nice, really pretty. And one more. And the last one. Nice. It's like in the center of the old town. So like if you go this way you have the other fountain I showed you. And if you go this way you get to the cathedral. So I'm pretty sure you will pass by this plaza anyway. And just take a minute or two and enjoy this pretty place with the statues and everything. It's really, really nice. Another really cool place you should see is the Mercato di Ballaro. It's one of the 3 main medieval markets in Palermo. And basically here you can find pretty much everything. You also have a pretty church right up there, which makes the whole place even look cooler. And you find absolutely everything: clothes, souvenirs, food, restaurants, vegetables, all kind of stuff. And also all kinds of people. So this is a place you should check out for sure. So the next place you should definitely visit is the Chiesa, Monastery and Confectionery of Santa Caterina. It's right behind the fountain I showed you. The fountain is basically there. You just follow the street here and you get to the entrance. So, and what is so special about the place? So basically the monastery, it opened in 1311, and until 2014 a lot of nuns from the Dominican order came here. And 2017 the nuns decided to open up to the public and made something very, very special. They opened a confectionery or bakery. So this confectionery, it has some very special desserts you can buy. These desserts, they are made with ancient recipes from all the monasteries around Palermo. and you can try them right here. The price is quite okay. It's between it's between 1 to 5 euro for each confectionery. There are over 50 different varieties, really delicious, and there are also some quite strange ones, at least with the name. So, and they gave me this. Here you have like all the sweets. It's like a lot, at least 50 of them. I think even more. And it looks so delicious. So here I have the Mini di Vergine. The translation literally means the breast of the Virgin. And the name is quite funny. I have no idea why they... Well, I have an idea why they call it, but it's strange that they actually call it like this. But when you look at it, it makes sense in a way. And I bought this one. It's with almonds and pistachio. I have to try it as well. But first the breast. No, I can't take it with the fork. I have to eat it like this, I think. This is good. This is a really good breast. Yummy. Here you can see the filling. I think it's like citrus-like, something like that. And the paste. I have to check. So, according to that, there's egg in it. There is some wine in it, okay. And there is like a white chocolate cream, it looks like. Candied fruit, and I don't know. My Italian is not that good, so see for yourself. Oh, that's the ingredients, and it's really good. Like, it's one of the best breasts I ever had. Yummy. As you can sit here outside in the garden. It's quite nice. Gonna show you around. So that's basically the garden here. They have different trees. So like I'm sitting underneath an orange tree. Then there are some banana trees there. And I think they have also some different citrus trees, some roses. The fountain is quite nice. It's a really good place. Also you can get a ticket to go up there. And from there you have a beautiful view around the garden. Around Palermo, I mean. So it's really, really worth it. And I'm gonna eat more of these breasts. They are really delicious. Delicious! So, and these were some of the places you can see in Palermo, Italy. As always, there's much more to see. But I hope this video helps you to give you an idea of what you can see in Palermo. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button down below. Remember to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!